What do you think is the reason for there being so many people in the lines of your feeding scheme?
Poverty. Poverty, that is a big problem. And joblessness. People don't have work. They're not in a job. And most of these people are educated people that come and stay in here. Even the youngsters also, but there isn't enough like programs for them or jobs, because the jobs require 2 years experience. Where does the children get 2 years experience if they don't get a chance to go and work?
What about for you personally? What was the thing that made you decide, I want to stand up and I want to start a soup kitchen and feed the community?
Every day people came to my house. Auntie, we're hungry, we want bread. Don't you have something to eat? And I just said to myself, no, I really need to do something. But at that time, I also told myself, a person need like funds, but that is not the case. If you put everything in and you set your mind, you don't really need the money. Okay, we need the money technically, but if you work hard, there's other soup kitchens, you can ask them if they have like leftovers or if they can help you or whatever. So you just start.
So,
Like I said last year, I even put it on my status. No more delays, and on my profile pic. I think it's still there. No more delays. You just put your mind to it and you start.
so what about the other people that is thinking about starting a soup kitchen? Do you have any words of advice for them?
They must just start. No, there's no time to think. That from overthinking things, it's a delay. It's putting a delay on what you actually want to do. So no more excuses. You just need to start.